Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the SIM pin on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down Settings and tap on Biometrics and Security. Scroll to the bottom of Biometrics and Security and select Other Security Settings. Tap Set up SIM card lock at the top of the list. Now tap Change SIM card PIN. You will have to enter your current SIM PIN in order to change your PIN. Tap OK once you have entered it. Now enter your new PIN and tap OK. Enter your new PIN a second time to confirm it, and then tap OK again. Your SIM PIN has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.